All right, we're back at it again. We're doing another Lexus lost key replacement and key programming. Basically, this is a 1999 Lexus ES300 ECU. I'm gonna go ahead and the customer wants 2 blank keys with chips in it. They said something about the locksmith in their area is gonna cut the key, so no big deal. They didn't want to send the door lock, so they'll have somebody there to do it. But anyway, I'm gonna make 2 keys. I'm gonna pre-program the chips. It'll be ready to go plug and play as soon as they get the key cut. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. Unfortunately, this one won't be done. It's jacked up. I'll show you in a few minutes. Just keep this in mind. This is your car computer, people. Make sure whoever you have touching it or dealing with it know what they're doing, because all these other chips here have different functions. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's supposed to be one here, 6. There's supposed to be one here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you got quite a few things going on, and this operates your car. So let me show you why I say this can't be done. This person, whoever they sent this to, jacked it up. I can see some brown stuff right here, and it feels real rough. So they was using hot air to remove this chip. And guess what? They removed it and never replaced it. So what? Probably while they was removing it, they broke the legs on it. Here we go right here. This one's all rough too. A lot of heat. And if you look on the surfaces of these chips, see the finish, you can see all right here. There was a lot of heat going all around this area. They removed this chip, never put it back. So it's missing this chip, and it's also missing this piece right here. So their plan was probably to get them to send it to me. I programmed some keys and send it back, because they told them, don't get the keys cut. They'll cut the keys when the keys come back. So that person who messed this up probably figured that I'm going to fix this, replace these parts. I don't have extra parts like that. That's normally not what I do. I don't repair ECUs. I program keys into them. That's my jam. I'm not into repairing them. So y'all keep that in mind. You know, if you need my help, give me a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. But if you call me, I'll tell you what to send me, how long it's going to take, how much it's going to cost. And that's about it. So basically, oh yeah, I've been doing this since 1990. So I had the opportunity to see all these chips come into play like now. I've seen all the different versions of the different type of chips and different type of data that they put on the chips, and you know, you name it, all the way up until now. So I've been doing this for a minute. I've been doing this before the chips came out, and I'm still doing it. So if you need my help, call me. If you having electrical problems, or you know, a lot of y'all call me and say, I turned my keyboard, my dashboard, nothing's lighting up. You got some serious issues going on. Call you a mechanic. That's not my jam. That's not what I do. I deal with the keys. You got other issues, call a local mechanic. He should be able to straighten them out. If you lost your keys, yeah, that's me all day long. But that's about it. If you like my videos, I appreciate you. If you want, you can like, subscribe, share them. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks.